Yo, stop! Before you scroll past this, I need you to look at this thing. Like, actually look at it. This is not a concept car. This is not some AI-rendered fantasy. What you're seeing right now? This is allegedly the 2027 Lexus LBX. And if these leaked renders are even half accurate, Lexus just changed the entire luxury SUV game. Let's get into it. The LBX originally dropped as their baby luxury crossover, compact, hybrid, premium. But the 2027 version? This is a completely different animal. They've gone full evolution. They dropped the spindle grille, gone. Replaced by a full-width illuminated LED signature that reads Lexus right across the front fascia. That is bold. Look at that profile. That is a fastback crossover silhouette right there. The roofline drops hard toward the rear. This thing looks like a coupe had a baby with an SUV, and then that baby hit the gym. The body lines are sharp, sculpted, almost like origami. And they're doing it all in this obsidian black that just drinks light. Zero compromise on the aesthetics. Rear end, and this is my favorite part. Full-width LED light bar, Lexus script in the middle, and these sharp angular tail cuts that give it this menacing, almost predatory stance. Multi-spoke 20-inch wheels with a staggered twin-spoke pattern. Low-profile rubber. This thing sits right. Now let's talk power, because this is where it gets spicy. According to our sources and recent patent filings, the 2027 LBX is expected to go full plug-in hybrid. Here's what the rumor mill is cooking. Engine, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. System, PHEV, paired with dual electric motors. Combined output, approximately 310 horsepower. Drivetrain, a WD standard across all trims. 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 5.4 seconds, estimated. EV only. Range, approximately 40 miles, estimated. They're borrowing platform DNA from the GAK architecture, shared with the new Crown and the upcoming NX refresh. This is not a small feat for what was originally a compact crossover. They are punching up a full class, and with that PHEV setup, you're getting the best of both worlds. Electric efficiency around the city, full hybrid power on the highway. And then you step inside. Bro, white semi-aniline leather everywhere. Quilted diamond-stitched seats. The dashboard is this massive panoramic display. Looks like they took a 14-inch screen and stretched it across the entire front dash. Zero clutter. The center console floats. Ambient lighting strips line the door sills and rear footwells. The rear cabin? Listen, this is business class. Individual climate controls in the armrest. Rear seat recline. A panoramic sunroof that lets the whole sky in. Lexus is treating backseat passengers like VIPs. And honestly, that is the move for 2027. They're reportedly running a completely new Lexus Interface 3.0 system. Faster processing, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto standard, and an AI-powered voice assistant that learns your preferences over time. This interior is not competing with the GLA or the X2. This interior is competing with the S-Class. Alright, let's talk dollars. Based on the current LBX pricing trajectory and where Lexus is positioning this thing globally, here are the estimated price ranges for the 2027 model. Base trim, approximately $42,000. Premium/mid trim, approximately $52,000. F-Sport/top trim, approximately $62,000 plus. Now, who is this thing up against? Because in that $42,000 to $62,000 window, you've got some heavy hitters. BMW X2 M35i, approximately $48,000. Mercedes-Benz GLA 45 AMG, approximately $57,000. Audi Q3 Sportback, approximately $44,000. Genesis GV70, approximately $46,000. Here's the thing though, none of those German options give you the same interior craftsmanship at this price point. And Genesis is close, but Lexus has the reliability reputation that simply cannot be touched. J.D. Power, Consumer Reports, year after year. This is Lexus's counterpunch to the whole European compact luxury segment. And they came to fight. So look, are these renders 100% confirmed? No. Is this official from Lexus? Not yet. But does everything line up with where Lexus is headed, the platform they're building on, and the market pressure they're under to compete with Europe and Genesis? Absolutely yes. The 2027 Lexus LBX, if it looks and drives anything like what you've seen today, this is the compact luxury SUV to watch. Drop a comment. Are you buying this thing? Would you take it over a BMW X2? Let me know. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Hit that button. I drop new videos every week. I'm out. Peace.